This one are about our compound person. We tell us talk say since when she resign from her well-paying job as manager 9 months ago. Say her family members' attitude towards her don't change. As in, she dey talk of her mama, her siblings, even friends, but especially na her family own.
Na im shock her.
Na im dey shock am pass. She say people wey be say before dem go wan use call, message,
honor,
respect,
finish her because money dey.
Wey be say she dey help, she dey on a steady for how many years now wey she don dey work. Say just 9 months ago wey she resign from her work wey she be senior manager to do one or two things for herself, even though things come rough, you understand me. Say since then
the love wey the family dey pre ten d say dem get for am,
na now she know say like drug talk,
the love disappear.
Say nobody send her,
Child.
dem no dey talk to her. Say when dem go even manage come meeting, if she wan make suggestion or say something, dem go dey shut am up. Dem go do am like say she no be anything.
Child.
Dem go dey look am like say who be this one, who dey talk. Now she come dey talk say say just because of say she lose her
job. Now they do mockery of her. They mock am. Say look at this one, lele.
People wey even to her siblings wey she say she send go university start to finish. Say the way that they look down on her. Now the lady now dey talk say this thing dey pain am, but wetin make she do? Because she now by herself, she don dey talk say if God help am and she believes say God go help am, things better for am. Say she wan cut off her family.
In fact, even if she die sef, say they no go bury her, when they bury her for strange land.
And we be 89.9 Yanga FM.
Today na Thursday, number 4 day inside the month of September 2025. All right, check your time. 5 minutes don't take waka leave the hour of 10. And Rocket Pastor na my name. Call me I'm a sugar lego logo laga. If you don't say you be fine woman.
And of course, you know say you know dey alone. I dey here, baby lawyer, aka Adankano, aka the compound Wahala Madam. We dey here together. We don't enter the segments. I can tell now where we dey call how una see am, and we dey go straight to the matter, straight to the today. Today, God. Of course, you know say still now 5 minutes don't waka past 7 o'clock, and today na 4th of September. 4th of September, 9 be today, Thursday the 4th of September, and this one dey simple. This one are about our compound person. We tell us talk say since when she resign from her well-paying job as manager 9 months ago. Say her family members' attitude towards her don't change. As in, she dey talk of her mama, her siblings, even friends, but especially na her family own.
Na im shock her.
Na im dey shock am pass. She say people wey be say before dem go wan use call, message, respect,
honor, finish her because money dey.
Wey be say she dey help, she dey on a steady for how many years now wey she don dey work. Say just 9 months ago wey she resign from her work wey she be senior manager to do one or two things for herself, even though things come rough, you understand me. Say since then
the love wey the family dey pre ten d say dem get for am,
na now she know say like drug talk,
the love disappear.
Say nobody send her,
Child.
dem no dey talk to her. Say when dem go even manage come meeting, if she wan make suggestion or say something, dem go dey shut am up. Dem go do am like say she no be anything.
Child.
Dem go dey look am like say who be this one, who dey talk. Now she come dey talk say say just because of say she lose her
job. Now they do mockery of her. They mock am. Say look at this one, lele.
People wey even to her siblings wey she say she send go university start to finish. Say the way that they look down on her. Now the lady now dey talk say this thing dey pain am, but wetin make she do? Because she now by herself, she don dey talk say if God help am and she believes say God go help am, things better for am. Say she wan cut off her family.
In fact, even if she die sef, say they no go bury her, when they bury her for strange land.
Say she no wan get anything to do with her family again.
Family people.
Say after all her sacrifice,
Child.
say her mama. She say her mama.
Now that one I dey pain and pass.
Say na dey pain am. Say
Child.
her siblings sef, she fit talk say her siblings still maybe dem young, even though she no wan use that one as excuse, but say her mama wey she dey do everything for.
Child.
Her mama wey before if her mama say my pikin I want, before your mama go even talk the thing wey you want,
You don't give her.
she don drop money. See she know how many times wey be say even when she no too hoe, because she know say salary dey come at the end of month, she go even borrow sacrifice to satisfy her mama. But say na that same her mama now come even dey follow, dey encourage the bad behaviour and disrespect of her siblings towards her. Say this thing dey pain her o. Say she no happy at all. Say she wan even just cut them off. Abi wetin make she do? You don enter this kind situation like this our madam so, where you been be the person wey be breadwinner, financial pillar for your family. Na im life come happen. Money no come dey as e dey. Money no come dey come as e dey come. They come start to dey disrespect you.
Child.
So tey even una mama come follow dey encourage the disrespect, the dishonouring, the insult directly and indirectly. You don ever experience this kind thing? Abi you currently dey experience am? Abi shey na say you know person wey don experience this kind thing? Abeg tell us. Share your matter, share your story with us, because we need our people to understand this thing, because this thing wey we dey here dey talk like this, e dey pain this woman o. E dey pain am well.
And that is why she say right now she dey feel like say she no go ever return to your family again. She wan cut off from them. Say even if say she die for street, make she die go, because family don't feel am because of say nothing dey her hand again. All right, but we hear from you 0904-821-3013 0904-821-3013. We dey come back 89.9
Yanga FM.
All right, we don't show back. Now still 89.9
Yanga FM.
The station
We sabi.
Compound Wahala na the show.
Bam bam
How
bam.
on a Siam na the segment.
Igwe.
Today na Thursday, 4th of September 2025. On 1 December no rubego.
Be careful.
On 1 December no rubego.
Nija.
Bang picture.
Say,
the singer.
no, you see as wetin you dey do sound. No, I sing am purposely to show you wetin you dey do. Make you feel wetin you dey do me for this place. I know say you go react. No, you see as e sound for ear, but when you go dey do, you person go dey sing risky, you dey do win ski oh. Shey na the wetin the person sing be that. Na risky, you know hear risky.
Risky what? What about risky?
So wetin you go on dey sing swing pion? Na wetin he sing?
You know you are pion for the song.
Oh God.
Oh my God. It's all right. It's okay. Check your time. Now 10:20. Yeah. So we don't day here already. For people who just join us, Rocket Pastor, I'm a sugar. Now my name is that.
And of course, my name still remain Baby Lawyer, aka Adankano, aka the Compound Wahala Madam. And like Rocket talk, we dey together on top this time, and we dey talk about the issue of the lady. We talk say since she lose her job 9 months ago, say her family can't they treat her like nobody.
Try.
In fact, they treat her worse than nobody. People wey be say she know say she dey suffer for, spend money, send allowance, do everything. Say since wey she can't lose her senior manager job for the company where she dey work for 9 months ago, wey be say money no come dey come as e dey come, she no dey give them as she dey give them before. Say since then they no dey even counter. They gossip am for her. In fact, sometimes they go talk the insults to her face.
Now, for you, they know they hide that now.
Plus her mama, her siblings, when she say I'm going university, all of them just dey treat her anyhow. And the lady now thought say,
Baby Lawyer, do you know I'm not surprised?
Why?
I was talking with one man, very wealthy man. You know what the man tell me? He said, okay, Pastor, make I tell you this bitter truth. He said, people even including your family, will celebrate you when you dey do well.
And then they gain from
and
say you dey do
because
well.
they gain from you.
Yes.
The moment they know they gain from you again, now you go now see their true color.
Very true.
They go now show who them be.
Very true.
The man come to me say one thing what I need to know, say right now, before I think of anybody, I should think of myself first. So now maybe my first priority first. Then after me, I should think of my wife and my children before I think of even any other person. Say because these people, when you go down, they don't send you.
No, but now the truth at the end of the day.
They don't send you.
As much as say people go on talk say, oh, my family, my brothers, my sisters, we no talk to me you know help your family. Oh. We no talk to me you no take care of your family. But see, it get one, now Oyibo saying, na person talk am to me for English. I go talk am for English so that you go feel, so that the message go far. He say, when you use the bricks that you should have used to build your own house, to build other people, that when the rain comes, you will be left out in the cold.
Oh.
That is, say, when you use all the money, time, effort, wey you suppose use better your own life, to dey carry family wahala, you no plan for yourself. The day wey rainy day go come, when money no go too dey, or you no dey strong enough and plus say money no come dey, say na only you go dey o, you are on your own. Yoruba go say oyoluwa. You are on your wetin?
On your own.
So na hard truth wey some people no dey like to face be that. Some people dey feel say, Rocket, if you wan test this thing wey we dey talk, for example, you wey be man now, you no get my point?
Yeah.
E don get some men wey talk say since wey dem marry, wey dem decide to prioritize their wife, right, and especially when pikin come dey enter their marriage, right, wey dem decide to face their family, say their siblings come dey see their wife as enemy, unto say that they take care of the woman,
their wife,
which is what they are supposed to do.
Exactly.
But the siblings bin feel say, even if you wan do anything, first still dey prioritize us
for what
instead of your family, because for our papa mama generation, sorry to say, a lot of them made that mistake.
And they regret it.
They regret am. Many of them regret am.
Yes,
where they go, they take care of their siblings' children and their siblings at the
immediately
expense of their own.
Exactly. And immediately the man no dey again, the same people wey dey take care of go abandon their own, the man children.
Yes, they no go help you train your own. So if you no get sense enough to plan your life enough to take care of yourself and your family, na your own you dey o. We know they talk say make anybody become anybody enemy, but this is just the reality of life.
No be lie. All right, we don't hear the matter already. Send us your message on top 0904 821 3013.
We get some messages.
Okay, we'll just quickly read that.
Yes, this one here talk say make the lady distance herself from that her family for some short period until she sort out herself first. They will later come and beg her and beg for her trust. That means them no love am. Na her money them dey after. Shey you dey hear am so?
Yeah.
So make she just distance herself jejely. This one here talk say na money be this. As for that girl, make she just avoid the family totally. Cut them off sef. Cut off from them. Cause those ones no be family member o. Imagine her own mama dey do this kind thing. E mean say the only thing the family care about na her money. As the money no come dey now, dem don dey show her their true color. Shey you don see am so?
No be lie.
You fit still send us your own message or just like our dear Amani and Precious from K to send us your message. This matter wey we dey talk about, e don affect you before? You don experience am before? Abi you dey currently experience am? Send your WhatsApp message to 090 48 21 3013. 090 48 21 3013.
All right,
come back.
we come back. Emerengini, oh my darling. Emerengini, oh. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, which Lord? Thank which Lord, please? Which Lord you dey thank? Abi you dey whine? Now worship. What it be that? When did they wave your hand when the song they play? I think say na play.
It's mandolin now.
So now thank you Lord. Wait till say thank you Lord.
Now you know who be your darling. Mandolin are God.
Yeah, you are.
So I say thank you Lord.
You see why I call you Ishima?
For
You see
what?
why Amani is supporting me to call you Ishima?
For where?
Okay.
See, that is how you should.
Go and worship God. Don't use my darling by Chella to be doing thank you
but
Jesus.
the thing look, as I use
now so when they play, how are you my friend? You go they say, oh, what's it be all this?
Let me tell you, these songs put you in the mood.
Which mood to do with it?
In the atmosphere of miracle.
Of that atmosphere, no miracle is happening. Come out from
Why
there.
is it that you don't enter mood?
Now you,
I need to lay my hand on you, baby lawyer.
stand up only and first.
Come this side.
Maybe I come this side.
Cross. Now you need my help. Come this side.
Maybe I cross.
Yeah, now you need the help. Now you need the help.
Oh,
come.
mme
Bịa
gị aka.
Bịa ihe aka m tinye
Ishi gị no gị wa ga-eti ọkụ. Ne ka ọ dị ka ihe mama. Ne ka ọ dị ka ihe. No, ọ gị wa ka ya awụja. Nonsense. Oh God. Let me say what was in my mind. Use the ọkụ for yourself first. Just come on here. Ndị wa ka ya akpụkpụ. See as e be. Ishi odo. Ewuro ọkụ.
If I'm from today, you better go back.
I no blame you. Now you be the pericoma.
Oh my God.
See as e head be.
Fresh hair.
You know this way. You know the person why I paying for this matter. Now that baba wey money bab you well. Now see that baba wey bab rugged dead this last weekend.
I bought the guy lunch.
You buy him lunch.
So he concentrate on me.
He concentrate on you.
He don't have to work on my head.
The person can't even give him the beer come straight.
No, so now we dey run am now.
The person just manage. He messy for you. He dey in a good mood. You can't cause you. Now that baba cause this thing because all this pride and mouth wey you get now because of that baba wey dey cut your head wey dey take cut am.
You know I don't worry. After I'll give you one or two.
Who know you?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we don't do here and I see 89.9 Yanga FM the session where Sabi. And Compound Wahala at the show. Happiness is free. We always tell you, try to laugh, try to make yourself happy. If you don't laugh, you could get mouth order. Try laugh. I know why.
That's a lot.
Try laugh. Open your mouth, talk, laugh. Do attend comedy shows. You got somebody that ever go laugh for their life. What's happen?
Carry face like Ojishi Kachumuna.
Ojishi Kamunna ya. Oh.
Now what? God did.
It's alright. Matter de grand. But we check a message.
No messages for now.
We don't get message. For people who just join us. The woman, she say because she lost her job.
9 months
family.
ago.
Now they mock her. They don't respect her again. They don't call her. All of them abandon her. And these are people she has stood by. When money day as a manager of a company Osusunde, she was taking care of them. Small broke where she broke
for 9 months
now.
Woman being.
See family, some
Human
family,
being.
funny people.
Woman being.
But it's alright. The number again is 0904 821 3013. I think I don't share one story here. One of my sister where I jammed her.
Yeah.
I don't tell you the story before. That's the day I know.
Find work.
Now they are fair family. My sister where I jam and where she dey do security work as a graduate. And they pay her 25,000. I got angry in the realm of the spirit.
Child.
Physically and spiritually, I became angry. I said, no, you can't work here.
Labado.
I can't go meet one of my guys. I said, the only thing you can do for me now, for all the good work they do for you, employ this my sister. The man said, we'll just finish interview now. Hey, yeah. I say, employ him, call him. They call her, they don't even give them interview. They don't talk to
they just give
her job from 25,000 to 250,000.
Wow.
Salary. Life change.
Wow.
Not for you.
They add zero on top the zero where she collect before.
She begin enjoy. She begin fresh.
Nah,
and I tell you, I can't come when I can't move call Lagos. COVID-19 can't come. Things can't run for me. Person will relocate now. Nothing there now.
Of course now. No.
I can't call him. Say find me only 10K. 10K.
10K no be
money. No be big
nah.
money. Save 10K. He say no get.
Eh?
He not just say no get. No pick my call again.
Hey.
Yes. As I'm talking to you since that time till now, no Greek. I know they pick a call again. I don't avoid them. I say, no call me again, no near me again.
And that work now, she know they do am again.
The work, she don't lose the job now.
Okay.
She don't go back to square one.
No, the thing we be they talk about be this.
But these are people who they carry for my head.
Now the point be
my
that.
mother, when I tell my mother, don't my mother tell me, she now you they carry everybody for head. Anyway, when they find work, you go give her work. You go do this, you
go help her.
You go help. I said, but it ain't inside me now.
See, my brother, like they like to talk I am kind, but I am not nice.
this your talk.
Yes. Rugged, if I talk rugged go they laugh. He go they open his eye, they look me. Because when you go they nice, people go take your niceness for granted.
I'm telling you.
They go the kind way they go after some people they will be say you go they nice to them. That they plan your downfall. But you did nice to them. You won't change their life. Their own and your downfall. And it can be anybody. Sometimes if it be the guy where you they work for. Sometimes if it be your staff. Sometimes if it be your colleague. If it even be your own family.
Just put yourself first. That's what I would tell you. Just put yourself first.
Rugged, you know they tell me this kind of thing.
If I tell you stories, it go shock. I've been another person where they drive my motor like I said I own.
Chai.
They drive my motor up and down.
Chai.
But you insult me because of that motor. Give me insult of my life. What do I do? Same food where I want chop. They inside the motor. Can you bring my car back? Make her chop the food. You can go back. You can drive it and go to back. He say wetin dey worry me because of my motor. I make her the command am to bring motor. He begin insult me. At last say, but I beg now, make her chop.
You even put a beg for your own motor.
My own
for
motor.
your own food.
I want for you.
Officially, we have to give it before we go on this break. The award for the modern current Onyoma CY goes to.
I don't do Onyoma CY.
Wait, my first give you finish. Okay. It goes to, according to my mama, Rugged Nwa, aka Rugged Pastor.
Wait, now I don't do Onyoma.
Bishop Okunerere.
No, I don't do this. I don't do Onyoma CY. I don't learn. I tell you what I don't learn. If not before, you get one boy come beg me laptop last week. I forgive him. He come 3 months ago. Come carry my light who they shoot movie. He carried light. Say I'll bring her the next week. Since 3 months now, he never bring the light. He come call last week again. Make I give him my laptop. I said I don't give you. He shock him. He said, bros, you don't they change. I said I will change more.
Happy sad they work. My influence they work for Rugged. Yes.
Because the people I say don't be too nice.
Yes.
Be
kind.
Be kind,
but don't be nice. Yes. Oh yeah no. Oh yes so now so my people we they come back. All right, my people. Yes. Welcome back, and yes, we don't reach the end of the show today. You know, sweet us to tell you and say the show don't come to an end, but all good things must come to an end according to my papa. Because everything will get better beginning must also get better ending. And we thank una say una don't stay with us today on top the show. We not take this time with una for granted. We know say na for good, and we happy say we they always get and with una. Now still Yanga 89.9 FM, 89.9 Yanga FM 9 be this. And you know say na the station we sabi. But now as it be so, we don't enter that level where we say we could tell and say bye for this night. But before then, remember say for our house 89.9 Yanga FM, you fit follow us on top Instagram, TikTok and X for the handle will be Yanga 899 FM. Instagram, TikTok and X, where some people see they call Twitter, for the handle will be Yanga 899 FM. If not for YouTube, will be Yanga FM Nigeria. Yanga FM Nigeria. Make sure say you go, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on your notification button also, so that once we drop all those are better content, because now only better content we they drop. Once we drop them, you self good day to feel them and enjoy them. Then of course, anywhere where you dey for Nigeria, you dey outside Lagos, you dey for Obodo Ibo, anywhere where you dey for Obodo world, you feel just listen to us loud and clear. For the website address will be www.yanga899.fm. www.yanga899.fm. And so it be for that way. For me, of course, I be baby lawyer _official for Instagram and TikTok. For Instagram and TikTok, my handle na baby lawyer _official. And then for Facebook, my handle na real baby lawyer. For X, some people still they call Twitter, my handle na baby lawyer _1. For tonight, I go just talk say anybody where they listen to us, in everything, put yourself first. After God, put yourself first.
All right, thank you so much for joining us. And sharply, follow me at I am Rugged Pastor. I am Rugged Pastor on top Instagram, on top TikTok, on top X, everywhere. Facebook na Rugged Pastor, YouTube na Rugged Pastor TV. And not get anywhere because another amazing show they come up right now. That one I whisper with sweetness. We say bye for now.
And we be 89.9 Yanga FM.